We have a full program here of 22 faculty flash talkers. We're doing terrific research here on campus, and we wanted to have an opportunity to share what we're doing.
My name is Dave Kim, Mechanical Engineering.
I'm John Harkness.
My name is Bayanar Aragong.
If you're not a scholar of digital media, you've never heard of these masterpieces of the late 20th century.
Effective medical treatments depend on accurate research. More than 60% of biomedical research could not be reproduced.
How good are statistical techniques? Well, they're as good as Facebook's privacy policies.
It takes so many years to take what we know and really incorporate it. How is it that we take that stuff and get it out into practice?
These days you hear a lot about data. My data is bigger than yours. Size matters, but it's not just the size, it's the complexity.
Developed a mouse model. We can measure the response and the behavior of individual neurons to sound.
I study natural water flows and rivers and lakes and oceans.
We use zebrafish as a model organism to study noise-induced hearing loss.
I'm going to ask you to think about pigment. Question is, how do all these different organisms generate pigment?
Entrepreneurship is about finding grand narratives in society to overcome some problem.
It's impressive to see the range of research that's going on here. This is us. This is who we are. This is what we're doing.